This is Roar to Success, episode number 8. For number 1, it says, Mrs. Newfield cut a piece of wood into 9 equal pieces. So imagine a piece of wood and it's being cut into 9 equal pieces. The piece of wood was 47 inches before she cut it. So what's the length of each section of wood? Not supposed to be rope, of wood. So we know that she's going to cut this thing up into 9 equal pieces. So that's division because she's splitting it up, 9 equal parts. And it says 9 equal pieces. That tells you that's a division problem. So what is being divided? The piece of wood, which is 47 inches long, into 9 equal pieces. So you're taking the 47 inches and you're dividing it by 9. If you did the other way around, if you did 9 divided by 47, that would be incorrect because you're not dividing the 9 equal pieces into 47 inches. It's 47 inches being cut into 9 pieces. So now we got to figure out how long is each one. So now we just need to do 47 is being divided by 9. We know that 9 can go into 47. Oops, 5 times. I'm going to erase that real quick. 5 times because 9 times 5 is 45. That will give us 2 left over. So each piece would be 5 inches and 2/9 of an inch. And that's our answer. For number 2, it says enter the sum. So now we have a mixed number plus a mixed number. We have two couple ways to solve this problem. We could even add just the whole numbers first. So 3 plus 4 is 7. We'll write 7 to the side. And now it's 2/3 plus 5/6. So we separate the whole numbers, and then now let's go ahead and do the fractions. When we add fractions, you have to find something called a common denominator. So it would be 6 here and then 6 there. And we can leave the second fraction alone because it's already 5/6. And then for 2/3, we have to make equivalent fractions. This is 3 times 2 to give us 6. And then for the numerator is 2 times 2, and that will give us 4/6 plus 5/6, which equals 9/6. And we know a 9/6 is really one whole. The reason why is because 6 can go into 9 one time. That's why it's one whole. And then when you subtract it, you have 3/6 left. 3 is your remainder out of 6. So you have the 7 over here plus the 1 that we just got from our 9/6. That gives us 8 wholes. And then 3/6 is really 1/2. That's called simplifying. So our sum is 8 and 1/2. For number 3, it says which expression is equal to 3/5. So the way you would read that is 3 is being divided by 5. And that's going to be C. And that's the end to Roar to Success, episode number 8.